Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plantfie app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plantfie is a plant identification and care guide app designed to help users recognize plant species and maintain healthy growth. Using AI-powered image recognition, it can identify plants from a photo in seconds and provide detailed information about their name, origin, and care requirements. The app also includes watering reminders, pest diagnosis, and growth tracking features, making it useful for both beginner and experienced plant owners. In actual use, many users appreciate Plantfie's quick and accurate plant identification, especially for common species. The care tips and reminders help prevent overwatering or neglect, and the growth tracking feature allows users to document plant progress over time. Its interface is user-friendly, and the database is regularly updated with new plant entries. However, some users report that identification accuracy can drop for rare or hybrid plants, sometimes requiring multiple photos for a correct result. The pest diagnosis tool, while helpful, may not always be precise for early-stage issues. Also, while the free version covers basic features, premium access is needed for unlimited identifications, advanced tips, and full plant databases, which can be costly for casual users. In summary, the Plantfie app may be worth using if you want an easy, AI-assisted way to identify plants, track their growth, and receive care reminders. It shines for common plant species and home gardeners looking for quick help, but may not fully satisfy users needing precise results for rare plants or those avoiding subscription fees. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.